Over here we have a 2021 Cadillac XT5. We're installing a Broadfeet double layer. This is the passenger side mount. The car already has pre-drilled holes that we're utilizing for this installation. You would insert 2 T-bolts, one here and one here, drop it down, tighten it with the washer and bolt nuts. Over here, the bracket will extend out, and then this is where we secure our hex setup. This is the hex bolt that we're using, secure with the washer, the bar itself, the bracket, another spring washer, and a bolt nut. So once we do both that, we'll come to the driver's side, and on the driver's side, same concept, 2 hex bolt drop pins right down, and then we'll secure it. And this is the general concept of installing a Broadfeet double layer.